अहमबदा हौजिक फावगी मरोइबा पाउसिंग पिजरी सेक्रेटरीट की कर्मचारी सिंह ngasiदagi सिजवाग स्ट्राइक की खोंजंग संगसिनख्रे IWF na weight lifter Sanjita Chanu gi mathakta thamlamba athingba adu lawthokre amadi CA bill gi mayokta awang nupok lamdam gi miyamna khongjang makha tana leptana sangsilli Kurumzari Times of Manipur gi nuthil gi pau mityang tabiri besingbu BIDYAPATI mayang bamna taram okchari hauzik pau sandokna pizari Manipur lenga ki yanglin saru oiriba secretariat ki karmachari singna kayarak hanna lengak ta thabak oina pangthok pinaba tandona lakba dabi sing ngasi phawbada lengak na hanjin thajaba pikhrabasu thabak ta onthok tabagi mayokta karmachari singna ngasi dagi Hauna Siswag Strike Kongjang Sangsin Bahokre, Manipur Secretariat Service Association gi Mityang Makada Sangsin Kiba Kongjang Aduna, Ngasigi Lenga ki Tabak Thoram Singda, Mangam Sanba Ngam Kidre, Secretariat ki Karmachari Singh Mahusagum Office, Karak Labasu, Matau Amata Tauna Kide, Office ki Ayamba Karmachari Singh Matau Taudabana, Ihang Hangli, Association gi Maikaidagi, Secretariat Lakba Visitor Singh Pauba, La Tantoktuna, Kongjang Mapung Pahan ki, Kongjang Asiga Mari Lenana, Association ki General Secretary Purujit Lairik Yangbamna, Association Taliba Dabi Asiga Mari Lenana, Tha Asigi Tarataruk Amadi, Taratareta Mass Casual Lipki Kongjang Sangsin Kibal Laikre, Maduda Chief Secretary Amadi, Chief Minister ga Tangkak Kayarak Thazaba Pikrabasu Ngasi Fauba Association gi Dabi Singh Tabak ta Ontok Tree Association Asina Taliba Dabi Singh Asi Sinmi Ama Oibigi Pangpam Thokpa Hak Singh Adu Tanbani Masida Lengakna Tasing Nadana Lesiliba Asi Kongjang Asi Makhatana Sangsin Kigani Haiki
Officers Singh Mayam Singh Hena Achochoba Department Singh role Lodana Madugi Kogi assignment Dona Labor Singh Asina Kambida Dana Labor have say it is very unfortunate Yana Labu Tibanam Noitaba Aduna Yamna justifiably and the chumna niyom je khangna thabak singe to wir agadi why should we go on strike the way ko strike chang adu mayan apami ba walhori ba sokma DA gi portion DA gi DR gi portion je kedo bagi matam jana pi de bano every 6 months kudingi laiba increment hangle increases sing si matam jana bibi de hai ba say this is more related with the price index
International Weightlifting Federation na Commonwealth Games ta sanagi takaman lawra khraba khumuksam Sanjitabu doping test ta positive oiduna mahaki mathakta thamlamba athingba adu ngasi lawthokre Sanjita gi wathok asigi matangda hojik oirekliba phibam adu International Weightlifting Federation na India ki Weightlifting Federation da khangal lakhibani ningsing bayai haukiba chahi da pangthokhiba Commonwealth Games ta kg yankai humdoi da sanagi takaman lawra khrabi Sanjita Chanugi mahaki urine sample da anabolic steroid testosterone yauramba thengnarakpadagi suspend tawduna thamkhibani Sia bill gi mayokta awang nungpuk miyam gi khongjang makhata na leptana sangsili ngasi su kai samthong elangbam laikai longjam laikai maning irom pukri mapal apunba development committee na sinduna Manipur da sia bill chatnaba sukya yaroi haina kai samthong elangbam laikai da wakat mifam sathakre wakat mifam adu da sarukya khiba keli gi president ningthaujam basantina lamdam asigi miyamna inner line permit system chatna hanaba akanba khongjang sangsilingai cherakta handakta lok sabha da citizenship amendment bill pass taurakpa asi lamdam asigi achauba irang thoknanaba Bharat Sarkarna sinba lalongni bill asi lamdam asida chatnaba sukya yaroi masigi mayokta miyam na sulaibiu haiki
akhoi maitai baksi akhoi lamdam si muthanaba silaiba poche asigi yellow mimunaba silaiba che asi akhoi yabanga moi masi thuna handokpiu natragadi akan mukhongjang changsilaga akaiba aranba asi ana loina thuna kani haibasi akhoi thamjaningi
Nakal Amaromda, Mizoram gi Aizol dasu NGO Civil Society amadi Mahiroi Lup Kayana, Lok Sabha da pass tau Krabasia bill gi Mayokta, Leptuna, Lising ni Taramapan Lak Liba Republic Day gi Tauram, boycott tau Nabasuarip Nakre, Raiza Adugi, Mukhya Mantri Zoram Tangan Hau Kibaning Taukaba Nimita, Pongdok Kibada, Bill Assist Secularism gi Wakalon gi Wang Madani, Amadi, Hanadagi Lamdam Asida Ain gi Wang Mada, Bangladesh Tagi Lakpa, Buddha Lining Zatpa Mui Kia Laibana, Mizoram da Saitengia Pigani Hai. state government singna ayaba yaudana citizenship amendment bill gi makhada mioi amata Indian citizenship piroi haina Union Home Ministry gi wangangloi Asok Prasad na haikre mahakna makhatara dona Indian citizenship ki darkhas tharak par mioi khudingmak district magistrate na yangsilaba matungda state government na pikhatlaba matungda agency singga loinana yangsingani Lok Sabha da pass tawkiba se bill Rajya Sabha da pass tawnaba ngairibani bill asigi makhada Bangladesh Pakistan amadi Afghanistan dagi lakba lamdam asida sahi taret henna leraklaba nan Muslim singda Indian citizenship pigani haina lauthokhiba bill ase awang nungpok lamdam maru oina Assam dagi yaning da bakaya fongdok narakli Home Ministry dagi phangba pawgi matung ina government na awang nungpok natana mafam atai da citizenship launaba mioi singna khodong chaba pinaba hotnari haiki Lakliba January 26 ta pangthokadoriba Republic Day celebration gi mangoina na ngasi ayuk first MR gi ground da gi hauduna peret ki rehearsal pangthokre ngasi gi rehearsal thoram aduda high school amadi higher secondary gi mahiroi sing state amadi central forcing Manipur Fire Service Manipur Police Traffic Red Cross Society Manipur lenga ki department singna chingba tongan ba contingent marfu ga humdoina thoram aduda saruk yakhi Makhataba pau pizza jingeda break amatang lozari
Jingugi paujel Numit thaza kumja suri Singu ipu taret saphongli Ipu tau pakhang bana phambal tongi hairakli Sare pharaba siklana Masa maring phanna maning tamna atyada paige hairakle laklo ibudho pakhang bana takpa aikhoi gi achumba lambi leire kiranu kibagi matam natre haujikti tungi mirolgi icha isu singi achumba lambi thamlam lasi Manipuri ima waba kham thengle ima gi pirang macha aikhoi ne taithok lasi kiranu Imana mangda, ibena tungda, ipana yetta, ipuna oida ngakli, masa masu senari, ngasi pau. Aikoi son thabagi matam loire, malem da Manipuri imagi saktam taklasi, malem khanghan lasi, ngasi gi mirolna, matam loire, takle, pire, achumbalambi, laklo, singburoi, tamburoi, imagi tung illo laklo natu naman khingdok nolok na paujen jariba salai lai thau sanglen a unit of Salai Holdings Private Limited
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfam Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System Registered Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001 Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001 Complete range star surgical instruments Hospital equipments OT lights and tables Auto claps Rehabilitation aids Hospital consumables Healthcare products Diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, amadi nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 0385 20569092 amadi 917085776993. Ekoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsin birau Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Park Modern School. Admission started for 2019 session. Free admission with 100% concession and tuition fee, and 1 month free boarding for the third and following children of the same parent. Inspirational awards and prizes for meritorious students. Facilities available. Special concession for students from BPL families and fatherless children. Free medical checkup at least once a year. Separate boarding for boys and girls. Session starts from 21st January. For more information, please contact 8974-834-231.
Break matong na pau makata na pizari tha asigi kuntarukta Bharat pumbada pangthokadoriba Republic Day gi thoram lamdam asida pangthokpa yaroi haina phongdorakpaga loinana lalholup singna thoram asibu boycott lauthorakli lalholup KCP gi President TS Laba Maitai KLO gi Chairman Jiban Singha Coach KYKL gi Chairman and Oken NDFBB gi President B Sagraiwal National Liberation Front of Tripura gi President Hais Utsawang Borok National Democratic Front of Boroland gi President B Saraigra Amadi People Democratic Council of Karbialong gi Chairman JK Jang na punna khudyak piduna tholak by Alliance for Socialist Unity kanglai pa ki cherol amana hairi cherol asina makhatari badi Bharat ki Republic Day gi thoram asi Westya region gi lalholup singna akan mamong da yaning de nimit adugi ayuk pung taruk tagi nimidang pung taruk phawba North East region da total shutdown lauthokle haratli Amaromda Korkom gi Media Coordinator Laibak Ngakba Luwangna Thador Pacherol Amanasu Republic Day gi thoram asi boycott tawri hairakli loinana numit asida kanglesa khudingmakna yumdagi mapan thoktana thoram asibu saruk yadanaba laibinabasu khangalakli Joint Administrative Council All Manipur Aided School Employees Organization na makoina tandona lakpa dabi sing tha asigi kontramathoi phawgi manungda thabakta onthok trabadi mathangi nimittagi Manipur pumada pung nifunipan gi ban chatharagani haina ngasi Manipur Press Club ta pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada association gi President Senzam Manina fongdokre Republic Day naksilakpaga iroinana state amida Central Force na Imphal gi akoibada thiba humgi thabakkan khalakli Masagi saktak se yaudaba miyoi kia lauthokre hiram asigi matangda report ama
January 26 pangthokadaba Republic Day celebration gi mangoinana state amadi Central Force na mafam kayada paksan na thiba humbagi thabak chathabaga loinana chingnaba miyoi kaya lokhatuna verification chathakre Imphal West ki oina 109 Battalion CRPF ki CO Vinod Kumar gi liching makhada sniffer amadi tracker dog team ahum bomb expert team taruk yauna CRPF personnel kiana Raj Bhavan gi akoibada ayuk pung taruk ka minute nifu manga dagi taret ka minute yankai fawba sanitization operation chathakre ngasi chathakiba sanitization aduga mari lenana Raj Bhavan gi security head chu oiriba 109 Battalion CRPF ki CO Vinod Kumar na wafam kayasu thamlagli
We are carrying out intensive checking around the Raj Bhavan area. In fact, this is our routine drill, and we have been doing every day. And but in keeping in view of the Republic Day, we are doing it at very frequent level. Actually, what I find, there is no issues in the Manipur for the Republic Day, but as a precautionary measure, preventive measures, we have been doing it. And we have the sniffer dog, tracker dogs and BDD squad, and we are carrying this is basically called anti-sabotage drill. And we have been doing it every day. So it is a routine, and but keeping in view of the Republic Day, again, I will emphasize that we are alert for everything, and there won't be any problem, there won't be any issues for celebrating in the Republic Day, and my best wishes. Thank you.
Amaromda Imphal West ki Additional SP Operations TS Krishna Tombi gi miteng makhada Deputy SP Commando Moirangthem Amina Luchingba Imphal West Commando Bajar Unit ki Timna Thangal Bajar gi Major Khul Kalibari Dharmasala amadi Delhi Motors Lambida Park sana thiba humbagi thabak chathaki ayuk pung 8 ka minute yankhai dagi nipan ga minute kuntra fawba chathakiba search operation aduda punna miyoi chani ga kuntra masak khangdokhi maduda masagi saktak che yaudaba miyoi nipan makhata na verification chathanabagi damak city police station da sinaki Bishnupur District ki oina district asigi Additional SP Operations KSH Manihar gi miteng makhada Bishnupur District Police amadi Commando gi combined team na Bishnupur Ward number 5 amadi 6 ya koibada paksana combing operation chathaki ayuk pung manga makhai gi taret phawa chathakiba operation aduda punna miyoi chamri kun manga verify tawki saktak che yaudaba miyoi mari makhata na verification chathanabagi damak Bishnupur Police Station da sinaki
Election Commission of India ki meeting makhada State Election Commission na EVM amadi VVPAT matau karamna sizinagada ki haina voter singda khangan nabagi chatharakpa campaign ki saruk ama oina campaign aduda saruk yakhiba state asiki tongan ba district ngi voter singi over lottery draw ama ngasi lampel pata leba State Election Commission ki office ta phangthokre thoram aduda MU ki administrator oiriba Journal Singh amadi Chief Electoral Officer PK Singhana saruk yakhi panbaya badi campaign aduda punna voter lak amaga lising nipu mathoina EVM amadi VVPAT matau karamna sizinagani haibigi training phangkhrabani.
The state only, and about 40 companies that come from outside the state, 30 of CRPF and 10 from neighboring states, armed police. So the commissioners indicate that this time also the level will be almost similar. If there's some kind of a requirement, they can increase the level also. We'll be using state police also in the elections, state armed police as well. And the level will be similar to what was happening in 2014 Lok Sabha elections. There has been an increase of 44 polling stations this time. It's not 2861, 44. Why? Because in some cases in urban areas it went beyond 1400, in rural areas it went beyond 1200. In some cases people had to walk more than 2 kilometers. So we've rationalized the whole thing and increased 44 more locations.
Manipur film gi saknai rabi actress amadi lam asida mana kaya amasu phanglakhrabi Soma Laisramna New Delhi da ahanba oina mahakpu pamjaba amadi nungsibiba mioi kaya ga unakre Delhi da laiba Soma Laisram gi Instagram Facebook amadi YouTube da fan kayana mahakpu unabagi session na do da saruk yakhi miyamna sakhanglaba actress ama oibada natana fashion icon amasu oiriba Soma gi Instagram account da follower lakh ani gi maya da lady social media na maram oidona apikpa state asigi Laihauda Haurakhibi Somagumna masak maming lairaba mioi kaya kayabu ngasidi malem pumbana masak khangbangamle Soma Laisramna fan mayam go unabagi session aduda social media gi khutang na mahakpu malem pumbada leiba mahaki fan singa pau phauna bangam halli loinana mahakka unaba lakhibe fan singi mafamda su thagat pa phongdokhi nakal amaromda Somana mahakpu unaba lakhibe mioi sing aduda birthday celebration tawminadona lamdam asigi oiba acha athakya chaminakhi maduda Soma gi fan singna su mahakpu nungsibiba utpa oina Manipur gi asa athak sing chakhi Hauzik Panli Balengak Asna, Wangjing Lamding Municipal Council the Lamding Kulgi Maming Lautoktuna, Wangjing Municipal Council Haigadabani Haina, Lengak ki cabinet mi famna Laukiba Warip Ado Handok Pagaloina Matam San Yang Sangadabani Haina, Lamding Educated Welfare Association na Dabi Taurli Association Asigi President as Ojit na Thadorak Pacherol Amana Lenga ki cabinet mi phamgi warep na meyambu khoisau na halle lamding kai thel leidiba maphambu Wangjing haina thonba haibasi aranba khongthang amani masimak ing tapna hingjariba lamdingi meyamda mai chubaga natana Wangjing amasung lamding anigi meyamgi marakta singsep thabani hairakli Imphal East ki manung chanba Khurai Kongpal Thauban da leiba NMC gi mapok komon thorongga mari lenana club asigi nauna saba loiraba office building asi Khurai Kendra gi MLA L Susindro na sanga dona miyam da khusin nakre ngasi club ki office building sanga bagi thoram aduda Khurai Nandai bam laikai Zila Parisad member A Okendro Khurai Singang bam laikai Gram Panchayat ki pradhan L Kananbala Khurai Singang bam laikai Gram Panchayat ki pradhan NG John amadi NMC ki president Dr Khagokpam Biren Maru ebe Mithunglen Singh oina saruk yakhi tharonggi saruk amu oina club ki thawgai kayada achauba thaudang loramba laikhidraba luchingba singi mafamda haikat laikat tamduna ikai khumnaba utkhi thorum aduda wangangaduna MLA L Susindrona laikai ama chaukhatpada club ki thaudang haibagi matangda marik chumba wafam kaya amasu phongdokhi
ama khaki khan manatawa mayam punamuki khallaga thabak tawda club na lawriba daita se samaina lawbiraba NMC na lawriba daita se samaina sum lawbiraba adu yogadi Khurai Kendagi mafam khudimakta karam mafam no haibiyoba point out tobiyoba chapoloidaba karam laigedage oina mu chapatkane ana bias lairoi haibase ai number 1 dai thamjage aduna
Hauzik amuk sanabegi pau phangbigani Khundrakpam Kendra ki manung sana leiba harauro YMC ground da satharakiba nipan suba harauro trophy state level wise football tournament gi ngasi ayuk sanakiba match ki ahanba ground da Bolero sectana Mangal FC bu panjal ani amada maitiba piki ani suba ground gi oina sector FC laktabadigi lamlai FC na walker funky walk over ngakpigani walk over funky amuka hana break amatangalo zari
Matalgi sasenaba products singdagi Jackson Biu Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Majalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amatalajade KSI na puthokpa Majalgi asengba products sing asubu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubra haina check tobiu amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubra haina check tobiu lalamung makhong takhela mamlekai Rims Road Factory thangwaiban senam lekai haina thari basin taba atopa amata Majalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhanba singdagi Jackson Biu hena kupa marol khangnaba lengsin birau Majal Kanglaipak Spices Industry lalamung makhong takhelamam lekai Rims Road Factory thangmiban sinam lekai near Lamphel Lampak natraga logon to biu www.majalspices.com or Facebook/majalspices natraga email to birau info@majalspices.com
Yapote lobu sakraba natro
Zakrima
aduidi za injang du loisanaba tawrodana
Bishondu bu totpa lorabadi injangi di thawraga lorabane aduima dukandagi bishondugo machanduga leibiruragera
hoi hoi ima lobirurage bunga besholamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglaipak Spices Industry gi production lobiron iramngi posuere pojan yautre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, methi jira powder, amadi hairi bo. Loinana sa masal amadi machala powwa. Mayang manadaba packaging system so oiraba. Manipur da yanan boina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product mak sisinabiu.
Sina khwai dagi hena pharena bonina pire imni
ima KSI gi product sidi yam phabane
Lamdam asigi lawni singmi singi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Heiss ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi laibak le hawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angogba karfi jyoti makhal animak pambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoklasi asengba alu char tharsi Saranaba alu hundok khakna maton thoklaga semba alu chara tharagum si haiba kholao amagaloina sahi ahum sugna satharakpa mission amagi makhada pujarakpa alu chara singni nipal tangdana iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si lengsing birau ngasimak Mahindra tractor showroom Malong Bazar Lingtoy House Kaksing Bazar adongi ahangba phum singda alu thabiduna iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si
Break matung na pau makata na pizari Gujarat ke Primary Education Department na District Authorities sing the online multiplayer PUBG Primary School da shanaba thingle haina lauthokre game asina angang singi lairik ta chauna akaiba pire hairi nakal amarom da National Commission for Child Rights na India pumba da game ase thingnaba khangan khre US के सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने US प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ना ट्रांसजेंडर सिंग मिलिटरी दा यावहन बथिंखिबा पॉलिसी अदु अयाबा पीखरे कोर्ट ना पॉलिसी असिगी मायोक्ता थांगलपा सिंग याखिद्रे मेडिकल कोर्स अमदी अयतपा सिंग पल्लदुना जेंडर होंगदोक होंजिंग तौरबा मियोय सिंग मिलिटरी दा यावहन दनबा ट्रम्प ना 2013 ता लाउथोखिबनी Lakliba Republic Day gi mangoinana Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi na ngasi Delhi da laiba Red Fort manungda Bharat ki ningtam lanbu ningsingba oina Sakhiba Museum ahum sangagadori ahanba museum adudi Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose amadi mahaki ningtam lanmi Indian National Army INA sizin naramba pochai kaya ama utkadori ani suba aduna ing kumza lising amaga chamapan taramapanda thokiba Jalanwala Bagh massacre bo ningsing duna saba yadei Jalian haina mingthonba museum ni amadi ahum suba museum aduna itihasik oiraba lising amga sanipan yankhai taretta haukiba ningtam langi matangda Bharat Praja kayagi mathauna maringzen adubu utkani hairi ngasi phongkiba pause sina kari kari maro iba pau yauri bagi haibadu amaktang punna khangminasi
Sangai Express MHA State ke yaba yaudana Citizenship Piroi Citizenship Amendment Bill ki bayokta leptana khongjang changsilli Republic Day thoram yauroi dori Pogna firm Citizenship Amendment Bill chatnaraba matungda State Government ki ayaba yaudana Indian Citizenship Piroi handaki chahida ki Government School ki mahirosing pass tawgi chang wanglagani Director Bill ki mayokta leptana khongjang changsinari arumba yauna puhandrabadi office ta truck sing thousanduna protest tawgadori Naharol ki thaudang Citizenship Amendment Bill da state ke ayaba yaudana kanagumba amata citizenship pibagi ayaba leite MHA Global warming na Manipur gi agriculture and allied sector gi chathokta makhal kaya gi chaifu chaitheng piba haurakle hogi chathokta chada tara gi chang hantharaglagani haina panari Imphal Jiribam lambi da metric ton kunmari dagi henba gari sing chatpa yaroi hairagadi gari sing surrender tawragani TDC IPSA na gan ngai thorong ngamari leinana khudol tamkhre Citizenship Amendment Bill ki mayokta paksana wakat mifam chathakre Huyanlan Pau State ke ayaba yaudana kanagumba amata citizen oheloi MHA Center ne state sing da cherol thaduna nungnangba phongkhre Chief Minister ki quick sarmi haibagi case Court na Manipur Police ta investigation tawdana ba khangankre Citizenship Amendment Bill ki mayokta wakat mafam kaya da leptana chathari Khambathel Primary School da midday meal ki khutongsa phangdaba chahi ani sure Kolun Anal Sana Laibak Citizenship Amendment Bill pass tawningbagi wakhalol hongdri State lainga ki ayaba yaudana citizen oheloi MHA lalonba singa Imphal City da tawningbata tawbada lainga da yengduna leire Pauna Kaithel lambi da cycle yole khong lambi da upu kangthon paisille Barak thong semjindrabadi NHIDCL campus ta truck sing thogjillagane TDC ETL Express Manipur People's Bill lising ani taranipan President na ayaba piraglagani thajaba lai Tikendra Lok Sabha na Citizenship Amendment Bill pass tawrubadagi awang nongpokta BJP unit singi marakta jingkhainaba hengatlakle Citizenship Amendment Bill lising ani taruk ki wathok hena kansilakli mahiroi lup taruk na mafam ahumda wakan mifam chathakre college ani gi mahiroi na Republic Day boycott tawkhre Eastern Army Commander Narveni Imphal da thungraduna Governor amasung Chief Minister ga unnakre Liglagi Joy Kumar da National Award pirakle Iraibak BJP ki MP ki mirep athu amatamda lauthoklagani party ki in charge Colin Imphal da laktuna mikhal gi matang da wa khanakre Citizenship Amendment Bill gi matang da Union Home Minister ga NE gi Chief Minister singa unakhidre miyam gi khongjang leptri
aroi bada maroi ba pau amuk hana pizari Secretariat ki karmasari singna ngasidagi sis work strike ki khongjang sangsinkre IWF na weightlifter Sanjita Chanu gi mathakta thamlamba athingba adu lauthokre amadi CABIL gi mayokta awang nongpok lamdam gi miyamna khongjang makhata na leptana sangsilli Hauziki di Manipuri pau matang sa loisinjare ehenba pau ga loinana numidang pung mapal da muk phangbigani